Hello everyone. So in this video we'll be discussing how HTML video works. So the video element is used to show a video on a web page. For example, you see something like this, a video like this on some web page. So how it works, how the sound control works, full screen and other options. Like you can download it, playback speed and everything. So we'll learn in this video how you can place a video in your web page. So what you need to do, first you need to use the video element and you need to tell the width and height of the video, and then you will write controls. We need to understand first how it works. So what we need to do, we'll go to this code. So the syntax of this code states that first we have to begin with the video tag, then we have to write the width and the height of the video, and then we'll write controls over here. So now what will happen if we write controls over here? So all these controls, play, pause, the sound control, the full screen control, and all these controls will come automatically on your own. So you just need to type controls over here, and when you have written this video, you just have to write then source. Then what is the source? That is src, the attribute tag, and then we have to put our video file. This file may be present anywhere in your server or in your desktop or a PC. So what you need to do, you need to just write it here, movie.mp4, and then you have to tell its type. So here in type you can write type is equal to video slash mp4. So when you write this and your browser does not support the video tag, um, so whether it may be mp4 or ogg, something like this, so when you run something like this, so a video will be there. Now let us see some more controls. So the control attribute adds controls like play, pause and volume. As I told you, it is a good idea to always include width and height attributes. If height and width are not set, the page might flicker while the video loads. Now the source element. The source element allows you to specify alternative video files which the browser may choose from. The browser will use the first recognized format. So if you have written mp4 at the first, then mp4 file will be played. The text between the video and starting video tag and end video tags will only be displayed in browsers that do not support the video element. So video element is used there. Now let us talk about autoplay. You might have seen in websites what happens is that when you load a website, a video appears on a screen and you don't press the play button and still the video starts playing. So what you can do, you could write autoplay. Now when video is written, width is written, and you have written autoplay here, and rest of the code is same, the source, the ending of the video tag, etc, etc. So what will happen if you run such thing? So this video will be automatically played on its own because we have written autoplay here. So the video will automatically play on its own. Now there's a note that Chromium browsers do not allow autoplay in most cases. However, muted autoplay is always allowed. So you could also add muted after autoplay to let your video starts playing automatically, but it is muted. So what you can do, write the same code, just write muted in after autoplay. So what will happen, your video will play but it will play muted. So this is how you could play videos. So now there are browsers which support the video element. So almost all of the browsers support the video element, and these are the all the HTML video formats that are supported on different browsers you can see here. Now talking about HTML video types, it could be MP4, WebM and OGG. So HTML video methods, properties and events. So this is play, pause, big, small, normal. So you could use this making JavaScript. This we'll discuss in the JavaScript course, not here. Now these are all the HTML video tags, that is video, source, and you could track also. Track defines text tracks in media players. So this is how you can put a video on your website. So I'll meet you in the next lecture. Thank you.